Hello traders, I'm again here with another video. Uh, but my today video is those people who has lack of knowledge and maybe winning ratio is about 40 to 50%. Most of the time losing money. So though this is a little risky, but at least you can protect your capital. But make sure you have at least 40 to 50% winning ratio, and this should not be like in a row 3 to 4 more than three losing trade. So let's see, and you don't need to analyze properly. What I will do here, uh, see, just you need to look at the basic things. This is like uptrend, but here trend has been broken. At least you should know these things. See, this was a previous trend line if you draw, but it's quite from this is a breakout area. Okay, and now it is going to retrace, but this is a momentum. So at least basic thing you should understand. So I am starting with 10, you can see, but to do this, do not invest more than 2% of your entire capital. Okay, it means you need to grow your account gradually, not like every day, uh, 5 times, 10 times, like that. Okay, if you see, this is a seller's area. Okay, and this is a seller's area, but see, I'm going with buyers here, because see, at this area I can see sellers and strong buyers. Again I can see small buyers every time. So this time also can be a small buyers, and momentum is up. So at least this basic things you should understand. I can lose this trade because of this trend line has been broken. Now this is a actually extreme level. This is a strong candle, and previous candle has seller's entry. But I don't care about my losses, because uh, who has lack of knowledge, he might be thinking, okay, this is market is going up, so it should go up. Okay, so there is two psychology works. After a strong candle, they are small bullish, uh, again small bullish, but this time made a bearish. Okay, no problem. So I have lost the $10. So now I need to recover my losses. Okay, so if I put 15, I will get 10, but I need a little more because I need profit too. So now I'm going with sellers. Okay, now I have placed a lower option, because this trend has been broken, and strong sellers entry from this level. Okay, that's what I want to go with sellers. So today I will just analyze the market as a beginner do. Okay, and my entry point is quite good here, you can see. So if I win this trade, I will be in the money $3. Then I can start again with 10. Okay, so I have win this trade. Now I am going with buyers, because after strong sellers I can see buyers entry. So I have to go with buyers. Okay, and I have placed 10 only this time, because this 10 already recovered, and I am in the money in $3. So but don't do until you have at least 40% winning percentage. 40% means, it does that mean that in a 10 trade, first 6 you lost, then next 4 you won. That is not okay. In a row you should not lose more than 3 trade. Okay, 3 up to 3 trade is okay. You need to check your last 1 month trading history. If you see in a row you don't have 3 trade. Okay, now I'll go with sellers. Okay, now I will go with sellers, because there is no new low, and I still the candle holding that level. Okay, so let me tell you. So why I'm telling three trade? Because up to three trade you can be managed, but when you have four, five, six trade lost in a row, then you cannot protect your account. You will your account will be empty within a day. Okay. So why I suggest you to use only 2%? Because if you follow this system, maybe you need to trade little longer, like 20, 30 trade per day. Okay. Because here you will get only small amount after recover your losses. Okay. So this is winning now. Now see basic things. Now I will go with sellers, because I am not analyzing more. I am analyzing like beginner do. Okay. So why I suggest you to not invest more than 2%? Because for example, first trade you lost, then you need to place 3 or 4%. So then 7% lost. Then fourth time you need to place maybe 10%. So already 15% lost. After that you need to place like 15, 20%. Okay. So 15 plus 20, 30%, almost 40% loss. So after that you will be crazy, and your account will be empty if you have more than three trade loss in a row. So remember this. I'll try to show you odds losses here. Okay, because on losses, now I need to place 15, going with sellers. No proper analyze, nothing. See, just I draw on line here. Okay, because money making is not I 15. It means there is no. I supposed to place 18. Sorry. So if I win, then what I will get here? 3, 7, 7, 14 and 3, 17, and this is almost equal. So if I win, still I am in the money, $17. Okay, and if I lose, then okay, let me close this candle, then I can tell you. So when you follow this strategy, you don't need to analyze more. Okay, see there I didn't get my profit because of my mistake. I supposed to place 18. Here I placed 18, and these 3 and 7, 14, 17. So this is equal, because I lost $10, earn 11. So this is equal. So still 70 in the money. Okay, so by this way you can practice, but remember you should not have losses more than 3 in a row. If you have, you need to check last 1 month trading history. If you have like more than 3 trade loss in a row, then do not practice even. Okay, so I'll try to place 1 or 2 more trade, because okay, so I need to again start with 10, going with sellers, because it's strong sellers. Sorry, uh, this market is moving something like this. You can see it's moving like this. So there has chance to. So at least you have this kind of basic idea to do this. Okay, this is now trend line. Okay, so see, I didn't proper analyze in this market. I have placed 2, 4, 6, 7 trade. Out of 7, I have win like 5 trade. So if you have this much, even if you have uh, worse than this result, like 2 losses, on profit, two losses on profit. Still, you can practice these things. Okay, so today video about how to protect your capital. So, thank you so much for watching.